Hello guys, this is Crypto Airdropper. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, we'll be discussing about Tron cloud mining. I'll be showing you guys how you can claim your free Trons on this platform, how you can deposit, how you can withdraw, and how you can share your invitation code to get more people to sign up on the platform and start earning like you do, so that you can earn sign up bonuses and deposit rewards. So basically there are two ways you can earn from the Tron cloud mining platform. The first method is from the mining system of the platform, okay, and the second method is by inviting people to use the platform, and we'll be talking about both of these methods in this video. So make sure you stick with me to the end of the video so that you won't miss out on anything important. So the first method, which is from the mining revenue on the platform. So how do you set this up, or how do you get this started? To get started, basically the first thing you need to do is you need to register, and you can do that by clicking on the link I'll be dropping in the description of this video. And if you use my own link to register, you get free 200 trons, which will be in your basic account. And don't worry guys, I know I'll be explaining that as we proceed in this video. I'll be telling you guys what the basic account is about and what the promotion account is. As you can see, you have two types of wallet on the Tron cloud mining, so I will tell you guys about both of them in this video. So let's continue. So how do you set, or after you've registered, how do you set up the mining process? So to get started with the mining process on this platform, you need to make a deposit on the platform. That's the first thing you need to do. So once you make a deposit on this platform, it will automatically activate the mining process on the platform. Okay, so don't be worried guys, I'll show you guys how you can deposit on the platform, so make sure you stay with me to the end of this video. So after you make a deposit on the platform, it automatically activates the mining process, okay, and the system, that's the mining system of the platform, gives you 5% of your total deposit balance, or 5% of everything in your basic account every 24 hours. Okay, so after, how do you claim your mining revenue? It's very easy to claim your mining revenue. Go over to where it says trading. Okay, so once you go over to trading, every 24 hours you'll be able to claim your mining profit. Okay, so it's a cloud mining system, so it mines automatically. You don't need to be on the platform 24/7. It does it automatically, and you get 5% of your balance of your basic account balance every 24 hours. And to claim it, all you have to do is to come over to where it says trading, and you click on receive to claim it. So once I hit on receive, it is added to my basic account. Okay, and you also click receive here, it also goes to your basic account. So basically, just don't worry guys, I know a lot of you guys are still confused about basic account and promotion account. I'll be telling you guys how both of them work as we proceed in this video. Okay, so make sure you stay with me to the end. So basically, that's how the mining system is activated, and that's how you claim your mining profit every 24 hours. All you have to do is you make a deposit, and the mining process begins automatically. But you need to come over here to the platform every 24 hours to claim your mined Tron profit. Okay, so then secondly, the second way you earn from this platform is by sharing your link with your friends and family. Okay, so how do you do that? To get your invitation code, your invitation link, you go over to where it says share. Okay, once you go over to where it says share, you'll be able to see your invitation link. All you have to do is you copy it and you start sharing it to your friends on Facebook. So all you have to do is you start sharing it to your friends on Facebook, Twitter, Telegram, WhatsApp, and get them to sign up with this platform so that they can also start earning from the platform. So how do you do that? You can either copy this link and share it with people on your WhatsApp, Telegram. To copy the link, what you do is you click on copy link, okay, and it will copy your link automatically. Okay, and it will copy your link automatically. So now let's say for example you've copied your link. After you've copied it, all you have to do now is you open up either your WhatsApp, your Telegram, your Facebook, your Twitter. Okay, so let's say I want to use Facebook for example. So all you have to do is open up the app you want to use, and you just open up messages and you just send it to them. Okay, for example, or just come over here, maybe this is a person on your Facebook or friend, you share the link with him and tell him the benefits of signing up with you. Hey, you'd be like, you just type something like, hey bro, if you sign, do you want to earn free trons daily? Okay, check out this website or something like that. Okay. Okay, so all you have to do is do the same on your Telegram, your WhatsApp, or anywhere, or all your social media platforms where you have friends, or to groups on the social media platforms. And you can also monitor and see the amount of people that registered with your link, or your friend's link, or the link of your friend's friends. So let me explain that. So to do that, you go over to where it says team. Okay, this is where you can see all those that are in your team structure. So basically you can earn from 3 levels on the from the referral system of this platform. You can earn from 3 levels. You can earn from level 1 referrals, level 2 referrals, and level 3 referrals. So level 1 referrals, these are direct downloads. There are people or friends that used your link to sign up directly, while level 2 referrals are people that use level 1's link to sign up, and level 3 are people that use level 2's link to sign up. Okay, so how much or what do you earn from the referral system? You earn sign up bonuses and you also earn deposit rewards. So let's say, how do you earn sign up bonuses? Once you earn 15 trons, 10 trons, and 5 trons from level 1, level 2, and level 3 respectively. When level 1 signs up with your link, you get 15 trons, which goes to your basic account. Level 2 earns you 10 trons, which goes to your basic account, and level 3 earns you 5 trons, which also goes to your basic account. Then you can also earn deposit rewards. So let's say level 1, 2, and 3 all sign up with your link. Okay, you also earn deposit rewards whenever they make a deposit. That is, you get a percentage of the deposit they made on the app, or sorry, on the platform, to activate their mining process. Because basically, to start mining on the platform, you need to make a deposit of Tron, and once you do that, the mining process starts automatically. So whenever your referrals make a deposit to activate their mining process on the platform, you get a percentage which is known as deposit rewards, and all deposit rewards goes to your promotion account. Don't worry, I'll be explaining what basic and promotion account means and how you can withdraw from them. So make sure you stay with me till the end of this video and do not skip any part of this video, because it's equally important. Then, so you earn 15% of level 1's deposit, 10% of level 2's deposit, and 5% of level 3's deposit. So this is where you can see the people, your team structure, the total people on your team, and the bonuses you get from them. As you can see, these are all bonuses from them. Okay, as you can see, this. So you also get to see all the bonuses from them. So without any further ado, I think it's about time I show you guys how you can deposit and how you can withdraw from the platform. So why do you need to deposit? I already mentioned this, but I will still say it again. You need to deposit on this platform to activate the mining process on the platform. So once you make a deposit on this platform, you can start mining and claiming mining revenue every 24 hours. That's basically, you need to make a deposit to start earning free trons from mining on this platform. So how do you make a deposit? To make a deposit, you can go over to where it says deposit. Okay, as you can see, you go over here where it says deposit and you click on deposit. Okay, so once you're here, all you have to do is to deposit, you copy this address provided here. You click on copy. So after copying the address, then you open up your either your Trust wallet, your Binance, or any of your wallet that supports Tron token or the Tron coin. Okay, so let's say I'll be showing you guys how you make a deposit. I'll be sending 50 trons to the platform for the purpose of the video. That's I'll be depositing 50 trons to the platform. Okay, so let's say I'm sending 50. So continue. It's very easy. The normal way you send tokens, that's how you send it, and send. Okay, and once you send on this platform, you receive your deposit in less than 5 minutes. It's very fast. As you can see, I've sent it. So let's go check if I received my deposit. So you refresh. Okay, so after refreshing to see your deposit amount, you can go over to mine. Okay, so I already had 50 trons on my account. Okay, so I just made a deposit of another 50, so my TRC deposit quantity should now be 100 if I received the deposits. Okay, let's see. I just refresh. Let's wait and see. Give it some time. Oh, sorry guys, I forgot something. So after you've sent it, you need to come over here and click on recharge complete. Okay, click on recharge completed. Okay, as you can see, I just received, as you can see, my TRX deposit quantity is now 100 trons, which means the deposit was successful. So that's how you make a deposit on the platform. Once you send Tron to the wallet address, you need to come over and click on to recharge completed, and you receive your Tron deposit almost immediately. Okay, so once you make deposit, immediately your deposit reflects the mining process is automatically activated. So mine has been activated for a while because I already made a deposit a couple of days ago, and I've been earning from this platform for a while. Because if you see my balance, I already have over 107,000 trons on this platform, and I'll got all this for free from this platform. And if you've been following my videos, you know that this is not the first time I'm making a video about this platform. I've been earning for a while from this platform. And now let's get to what all of you or most of you must have been waiting for: how to withdraw from this platform. And I also use this opportunity to explain what the basic account and the promotion account is all about. So how do you withdraw from this platform? To withdraw, all you have to do is you click on withdrawal here. Okay, you click on withdrawal. Once you click on withdrawal, it should redirect you to the withdrawal page. So basically, from Tron Cloud Mining platform, you can withdraw from your basic account or from your promotion account. Okay, so and I'll be telling you the difference between the two. So what is your basic account? Your basic account, this is account where all the profits you've made from mining and sign up bonuses go to. Okay, and also deposit on the platform. Once you make a deposit on this platform, it goes to your basic account. Once you claim your mining revenue, it goes to your basic account. And whenever your level 1, level 2, and level 3 referral sign up, you get Tron bonuses to your basic account. Okay, so the only limitation to the basic account is that you can only withdraw 3% of your total deposit. So if you want to because right now my daily withdrawal limit, as you can see, is 3 trons. And why is this so? Because I only have 100 tron deposit on the platform. So like I mentioned, you can only withdraw 3% of your total Tron deposit, which means 3% of 100 is 3 trons, which means I can only withdraw 3 trons daily from my basic account. Okay, then secondly, there's the promotion account. Withdrawal from the promotion account is unlimited. You can withdraw unlimited, there's no limit. You can withdraw unlimitedly every 24 hours from your promotion account. And for the purpose of this video, I'll be withdrawing from my promotion account. So how do you withdraw from the Tron Cloud Mining platform? So once you choose the account you want to withdraw from, before I show you guys that how do you earn into your promotion account, you earn into your promotion account. That's you earn free trons to your promotion account from deposit rewards. I already explained what those are. Okay, deposit rewards are percentages you get from the deposit of your level 1, level 2, and level 3 referrals, which all go to your promotion account. So to withdraw from this place, after choosing the account, you put the amount you want to withdraw. Okay, so let's say I want to withdraw 861 trons for the purpose of this video. Then you put the wallet address you want to withdraw to. So how do you get that? You open up the wallet you're withdrawing to, either your Trust wallet or your Binance, your Tron link, any wallet that supports Tron. Then you copy the wallet address, okay, and you come over here, you paste it here. After pasting it, then you input your security password. So your security password, once when on the registration page to sign up for this link, there's a section provided for your security password. Okay, so that's where you set that up. Okay, and I'll advise you use the same password that you use. Your login password and your security password should be the same, so that will be easy to remember. So after inputting your security password, then you click on confirm. Okay, so as you can see, withdrawal is successful. So let's go over to our account and see if the withdrawal came through. So though before the withdrawal, my account was 10,302 trons. Okay, so after withdrawal, that balance should increase. Okay, so let's see. As you can see, my balance now it's 11,163 trons, which proves that withdrawal from the platform also works. Okay, well basically Tron cloud mining platform works. Okay, I've tested it several times and it's paying for reals. Okay, so if you've not started out with it yet, I'll advise you do so, but do your own research before you invest on it, and always invest what you can risk losing. Okay, so to basically it's very easy. All you have to do is register, make a deposit, start, claim your daily Tron limit, claim your daily free mine Trons every day, and make a withdrawal from the platform. Okay guys, so if you have any questions, any suggestions, feel free to drop in the comment section below. And you can also feel free to join the Telegram community for the platform for further questions. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.